In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emojis or special characters in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to add some personality to your documents, make certain parts stand out, or just enhance your communication, knowing how to easily insert emojis can be an incredibly useful skill. So let's dive right into it. To start, make sure you have your document open in Google Docs. Once you're ready, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll want to identify the Insert tab. Clicking on Insert opens up a range of options for things you can add to your document, from images and tables to footnotes and, of course, emojis. Go ahead and click on Insert. Now that you've clicked on Insert, you should see a drop-down menu. Look through the list until you find Emoji. This option is specifically designed for adding emojis and special characters into your document, and selecting it will open the emoji panel. So go ahead and click on Emoji. With the emoji panel open, you can now search for the specific emoji you want to include. There's a search bar at the top of this panel, which makes finding your desired emoji a breeze. Simply type in one or more keywords that describe the emoji you're looking for. For instance, if you're looking for a smiling face, just type smile and browse the results to find the perfect emoji for your context. Once you've found the emoji you want to use, the next step is simply to click on it. This will automatically insert the chosen emoji into your document at the location of your cursor. You can add as many emojis as you feel necessary, and each will be placed exactly where your cursor is resting. It's a user-friendly way to bring a little more life to your writing. As you work, feel free to explore the various categories on the side of the emoji panel. This can give you inspiration and a quick glance at the range of emojis available for you to use. And remember, these little icons can help convey tone or emotion, which words sometimes can't, making them a valuable tool in your writing arsenal. And there you have it, a straightforward method to make your Google Docs more engaging and expressive with just a few clicks. Next time you're drafting a document and find the need for a little extra flair or emotional hints, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for following along, and happy writing!